Hi all. Uh, Last few days, right, we saw enter this concept. Okay, so going forward, okay. Once we start practical, okay, we will see what are these, how we can implement ETL process, okay, how we can build AR models, okay, everything we'll see practically. Okay, now we'll start with some cloud computing related topic. Okay, once we complete this one, we'll start actual Snowflake. Okay, before starting Snowflake, I'll give background what exactly cloud computing, where our Snowflake will be worked. Okay, we will start regarding the cloud computing. The cloud computing. So computing is just this is just activity. Okay, like which uses okay computers to manage, okay, process and communicate the information. So activity can be anything. You want to manage, you want to process, you want to communicate some information. Okay, cloud computing means how we can do that activity over the cloud. Means simply cloud computing is manipulate, configure, access, okay, anything like hardware or software, okay, remotely, like over the network. So any activity, okay, if you do like manipulating, configuring, accessing with respect to any hardware, any software over the network, then we will call that one as cloud computing. Okay, this cloud computing offers like online computing power. Means infrastructure is required, then it will provide. We will see what is infrastructure, how they will provide. Okay, something you want data storage. Okay, they will provide. Okay, databases, applications. Okay, everything they will offer online. Okay, simply infrastructure. We want one computer, they will provide. Okay, who will provide? We will see. Okay, who will provide? We have cloud providers. Okay, AWS, Azure, GCP, they will provide. Okay, and data storage you want. Okay, these people will provide. AWS will provide like S3, okay, to store. Azure, okay, blob storage they will provide. GCP bucket, okay, they will provide. Okay, I want databases. See, our Snowflake. This one is like, okay, this is software. Okay, how they will provide as a SaaS model. We will see what is this SaaS model. Okay, like that. Okay, so these cloud providers, okay, online they will provide whatever the services you require. Something infrastructure you want, like some computer you want, some computer instance, some server you want, they will provide. Okay, like storage you want, they will provide. Databases you want, we can utilize the databases. Then, okay, only thing is whatever we are going to use, right? For that, you need to pay some amount. Why? Because we are using, okay, these services, right? So whatever the cloud provider, right? Whatever they providing, nothing but service. Okay. Once they provide service, okay, we are utilizing that service. We need to pay, right? Okay, we have to pay. Okay, that's the actually model. We will see. Okay, so using this cloud computing, right? Users can access the data from anywhere. See, if you have Google Drive, Google Drive, right? Okay, so where exactly we are storing the data, we don't know. Okay, Google they will maintain their servers. Okay, we have people, some people around the world. Okay, so many people are there. Okay, they have their own Gmails, right? IDs. Okay, they'll keep on store the data. Okay, keep on store their data as images, some songs, whatever. Okay, so for that, okay, every person need to pay. Maybe some limitation, right? They will give free. After that, Okay, once that limit is completed, like 10 GB is completed, we need to pay. Okay, so they were providing, okay, storage as a service. Okay, we need to pay some amount. Okay, so from anywhere we can access, right? Okay, from the mobile, from the laptop. Okay, if you are India also, the same person, okay, access the data. The same person went to somewhere else, like Germany. From there also, if you want to access the same data, he can. There is no restriction. Okay, okay. So can provide data center to many users. See, assume this is one data center where, okay, Google maintaining, okay, as a data center. Okay, so many users, okay, in the world access the same data center to store. Okay, ideally the nearest data center people will use, it is recommended. Okay, but there is no restriction. Okay? Only thing is latency may enter, means some fraction of seconds. Okay, there is time delay. Okay, if you are in India, okay, somewhere the data center is in US. Okay, if you access the data from the data center, may take time. If you choose this data center India to Singapore, okay, the latency will be very less. Why? Because Singapore is near to India. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so how they, these cloud providers, okay, provide services. Okay, three models. One is infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Okay, type of cloud. Okay, how many models they will provide? In three models. This is infrastructure, platform, and software as a service. Who will provide? Okay, AWS, Azure. This, we have other cloud providers also. Majorly in the industry, the clients will mostly prefer AWS, Azure, GCP. Okay, yeah. So type of clouds, like we have public, private, okay, hybrid. Okay, so public cloud means the AWS, Azure, GCP. Private means dedicated to only one business, not on-premise. It's not like on-premises. What is this on-premises? Okay, I will explain down the line. Okay, this is not like private means not on-premises. Okay, means whatever the service these people are providing, only dedicated to only one customer. Means I have one Google Google Drive there. Okay, Google Drive there. I'm providing to only one customer. I'm dedicating to only one customer. Then we'll call this one a private. But here, so many people are using the same, okay, uh, uh, server. Okay, but based on the user access, they will get their uh, their own data. But here, dedicated dedicated to that customer. Okay, hybrid means public plus private, combination of, okay, few services only dedicated to that customer, few dedicated to services, okay, to common, okay, like public. Any multiple customers are there, they can utilize the same service. Okay, so main characteristics, what are this one? Okay, so you will get the service on demand. Okay, suppose I want, okay, some space to store the some files immediately. Okay, I can buy space, I can store. Okay, I want one server, okay, to run any program immediately. Okay, I can choose any one. It's not like I need to choose three, any one of three I can choose any one. Okay, who is okay, out of AWS. Okay, I can request AWS, I need one server to execute one program. Okay, immediately I can get it. Okay, broad network access as well, right? So rapid elasticity means simply like dynamically, okay, okay, I can increase, okay, I can increase, okay, my like uh, servers. I can scale up, scale down. Okay. So I need like two servers. Okay. Later I want immediately like three servers. I can go. I had five servers. I want to go down to two servers. Immediately I can go. Okay. That is possible on the cloud. On the cloud. Okay. Pay as you go. Simply like whatever the services we are utilizing. Okay. We are just paying for that. Right. Assume simple Google Drive. How much data we are storing? Like for 1 GB. For that only we are paying. Right. Simple like that. So for us as a customer, very easy to maintain. Okay. What is resource pooling means? We are just like, okay, so combining all the resources, okay, and serving to the and serving to the more people at the same time, okay, like this, okay, that is, yeah. If we see, we have three type of models, right? Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, okay. Our Snowflake, okay, that is software, right? Like this is software as a service. Our Snowflake is software as a service that we are going to learn. Okay. Now we will see why we will call this one as software as a service. Okay. Now see if you see on premise. Okay. On premises means we need to maintain everything like data, runtime, middleware, OS, visualization, server, storage, network, everything. Okay. As a customer, okay, in on premises we have to maintain. As one customer is like HDFC Bank or SBI or some Apollo, okay, any client, okay, in their, okay, in their office premises, they have to maintain everything here, okay. Now, infrastructure as a service means whatever in gray, right? Nothing but as a user, as a client, right? These people need to maintain means data related, runtime, middleware, OS related, all the things, okay, clients will maintain. Client means actually who running the business. Okay. Now visualization, server, storage, network. Okay. This can provide by the cloud providers, AWS or Azure or GCP. Okay. So only these people, right? These people will provide only infrastructure. Infrastructure. Okay. Like servers they will maintain, storage. Like this is infrastructure, right? Network related infrastructure. They will provide. Platform as a service means everything like platform means these people will provide, okay, OS and middleware, okay, how programs we can run it, okay. So in the platform as a service we have only control with the, okay, application and data, remaining everything, right, we can get from the cloud provider, okay. That is the platform as a service, okay. So infrastructure as a service means these people will provide only infrastructure. Platform as a service means everything they will provide except, okay, data and application. Okay. Now software as a service means, okay. Now Snowflake is a company, okay, providing this data warehouse, okay, software as a service. Okay. Like everything they will maintain. Okay. Only thing what we have to do, we have to log in, okay, Snowflake account, then we have to do our work. Simple. They will give URL. Okay. If you have internet, okay, use that URL, log in, do our work. Okay. That is nothing but software as a service. Okay. Our Snowflake is software as a service. That's what we are going to learn. Okay. Now, Okay. Our Snowflake, right, software, we can host, okay, any one of the cloud, okay, as I told, right, AWS or Azure or GCP, okay. Who will decide? Okay, client will decide, okay, okay, which platform, okay, we can use, okay, any one of the platform, okay, we can host means indirectly we are installing, simple, any software, right, suppose we have some VLC player, what is this? Is music player, right? This is I have only software, right, where I can install, where I have my computer, okay, where I have OS, right, then I will take this software, then I install, right. Simply same here also. Snowflake is okay. That company providing software as a service, this database software. This is nothing but database software, right? Database software. Okay. Okay. Where I'm hosting nothing but installing indirectly. Okay. Here, any one of the platform. Okay. So while creating the account, okay, I will guide you. Okay. On the next session, how to create the Snowflake account. While creating the account, we have to opt any one of the platform. Okay. Now, I keep on talking about what is on-premise and cloud. We will see exactly what we are doing in the on-premise and cloud. Okay. Now, on-premise means assume take any client like HDFC. Okay. Something they want to store one application data like credit card related. They have one app application. They want to store, okay, someday they want to store the data. Okay. Okay, for that, what they need? They need one database, right? I'm not telling any particular database. They need some database to store that application data. What they have to do? What do they have to, right? The planning they have to do. Some like, okay, take HDFC only here. Okay, what they have to do? Here is their, okay, what they have to do? They need one dedicated server room, right? HDFC, any headquarters, okay, in their office premises. They need one dedicated server, okay. They need to purchase server, right, to install this whatever the database software, okay, okay, they need one server, they need one room, they have to keep the servers in that room, okay, then they have to purchase database software, right, like take oracle software, right? They need to purchase, right, whatever the HDFC or some X client, they need to purchase, right, okay, they have to purchase this one, and whatever the purchase this software, okay, they need to install on server, right, they need DBA, right, dedicated DBA people should be there, okay, and also DBA people also Oracle is releasing some patches, some upgrade, they're doing some upgrade, okay, again, okay, DBA people need to work, right, to to update this software, okay, and moreover to run this entire thing, right, they need power, right, okay, so this what actually, so in on premises, okay, each client will do, okay, so HDFC means like some SBI other company, some other Apollo, some other different domain, everything they have to do their work, okay, like some client Y, some other company, they're also some, they're like another bank, okay, some loans related they want to maintain, okay, some other company, they're doing some e-commerce, right, assume like some other Flipkart is a company, they want to track e-commerce related data, what they have to do, They have to set up entire this thing in their office premises. Okay. So for each client, okay, they have to maintain. Okay. Now, if come to cloud, okay, and moreover, if do anything these activities, upgrade, releases, okay, there should be some downtime. Okay, we need to shut down this, okay, servers. Okay, then we have to apply the patches. Then we need to up and run. By that time, any business, okay, like end users cannot use this system. Okay, that is the main problem. Okay, now if you come to cloud. Cloud means, as I told, who is providing cloud services? AWS, GCP, Azure. Okay. Now, they want one dedicated server, as I told, right? ARM premises. Now, here, these people, like, they are maintaining, okay, an advanced, right? Their servers, databases, storage, everything these people are maintaining. Okay. Some ex client want one server. Di- Okay. These people can directly go and request, I want so and so computer. Like I want computer in the server. Okay. These people then provide. Okay. This client wish whether some ex client should go. Okay. He will decide whether should go with AWS service or GCP service, Azure service. Okay. They can go. Okay. Assume simple. We have like service, right? Like Ola service. Okay. People can decide, right? Some ex person. Okay, he can decide whether he can book, okay, ride with Ola or Uber or some Rapido. Okay, he can decide, right? These people are providing the service. As a customer, we can choose which one we can use as a platform. Okay, simple. Everyone is providing, okay, server, AWS, GCP, Azure. Okay, clients will decide. Okay, how they can decide, like based on this one. Okay, we'll see down the line what are the points they will consider while choosing the cloud. Okay, so here multiple clients, right? They can request whatever they need, some storage, some infrastructure, whatever that is, right? These people will provide. For that, these people will, okay, charge with respect to that one. Okay, so these people no not required to buy any servers, not required to purchase any software, not required to install, not required to maintain any DBS, to apply any patches, anything. They don't want, right, any dedicated server rooms also. Okay, who will maintain? These cloud providers will maintain. They will give, okay, as a service to the all the clients. Simply, these people are doing some rental business. Rental business means simply they will provide service, they will take money. Okay, so which cloud provider giving for cheap and best means people will go and opt that service. Okay, so how they can opt these services means simply how client choose the cloud provider simply. So simply, if there any issue comes, okay, which, okay, cloud provider resolving the, okay, very quick manner. Okay, how they are providing integration service. Okay, and pricing also it matters, and based on security, right? Okay, you are using, right, you are believing this service. Okay, so some HDFC here, some SBI client, okay, some other Axis, okay, same people are using some storage, assume. Okay, indirectly they are keeping their customers' data, right? That should be confidential, right? Okay, okay. So how they are providing the security, okay, and user interface, how easily, if there any application they are providing a software service, okay, how easy that one. Okay, these are the things. Okay, uh, clients will consider while choosing the cloud service. Okay, I believe understand between the on-premises and cloud. Okay, we'll see in the next slide. Here, see on-premises and cloud. Whatever we discussed, right? The same points. Okay, I kept, okay, with respect to. our Snowflake. Okay, in this slide, okay, I spoke about generally, okay, difference between the on-premises and the cloud. Okay, here in this slide, okay, I give points with respect to database, only database. Okay, yeah. Here see cloud related data warehouses. We have Snowflake, okay, Redshift, GCP, BigQuery, Azure Synapse, okay, MongoDB, like NoSQL. Okay, on-premises databases, see Oracle, Teradata SQL Server, MySQL, like this we have. Okay, so with respect to cloud, which we are going to learn Snowflake. Okay, as right cloud providers, these are three. Okay, let's go and check with respect to database. Okay, on-premises, users should take care of the infrastructure maintenance like patching, upgrades, okay, backup. Assume any on-premises, right? You are using Oracle. Everything we have to do, okay, as a client. Okay, upgrade require downtime. Something upgrade is coming with respect to that Oracle. Okay, we need while doing that upgrade, okay, downtime is required. Okay, suppose need to pay in even, all right, no use state. Suppose we purchase some server, we install Oracle, okay, server like with a big size, okay, even though we are utilizing that server or not a matter, okay, we already paid amount, okay, we took that server, okay, the scaling up, scaling down required, okay, downtime means assume this one like 100 GB server, okay, I want to, okay, extend like 10 GB or like 20 GB, like from 100 GB to 120 GB. Then downtime is required. Scale up, scale down, scale up. Suppose this one is 100. Again, I want to change back to some degrade to 80 GB. Again, required. Anything, okay, right? Something you want to change means we need downtime. If you come to cloud, okay, as I told, right, our Snowflake is software as a service, SaaS model. Okay, even we don't want to install software directly, they will give URL. Directly, they will give URL. Okay, so no software is required, no infrastructure is required, no upgrades. Okay, as this one is a SaaS model. Okay, all maintenance. Okay, everything will take care by the, okay, whoever providing that cloud software as a service, right? Those people will take care. In this case, our Snowflake company will take care. Okay, no downtime is required. Pay only for use, compute and resource. Okay, whatever the servers, whatever the storage we are utilizing, for that only we will pay. Okay, storage, compute charge independently. It's not like storage we increase. Okay, we should increase compute. No. Okay, we should. There is no link between storage and compute. Only you want compute, you want to increase. Yes, we can increase. Only storage you want. Yes, we can increase. Okay, we don't want to increase both parallel. Okay, if you store TBs of data, okay, no processing, okay, we will be charged only for the storage, not for the compute. Okay, means something like 100 GB we store, okay, we are not processing the data, means we will pay only for the storage purpose only. We are not paying money for the processing. Once we process only, okay, we will pay for that one. Okay, ongoing maintenance, okay, okay, anything management, tuning it, okay, everything will handle by the Snowflake. Okay, not only this one, we'll see few more differences if compare with this Snowflake, okay, with other on-premises, okay, data warehouse. Okay, we'll see here. If you see observe few features, okay, here I'm not taking any uh, database, on-premises database. Okay, I took it generally. Okay, but I comparing with Snowflake. Okay, now infrastructure cost. Okay, yes, before installing this Oracle software, we need purchase servers, right? Yeah, it should be infrastructure. Okay, there should be some infrastructure cost. Here, not required. Okay, So if you want to process semi-structured data, okay, in on-premises, right, we need some ETL tools like Informatica. Okay. In Snowflake, not required. Okay. Unstructured data process. Okay. We need some ETLs. Here, not required in Snowflake. Okay. Data loading, unloading. Okay. For on-premises, required ETL tools. Here, not required. Simply using the copy command, you can copy it. Okay. Scalability. So, there is no dynamic scalability. Okay. Here, high scalability. Okay. Dynamically, we can increase the cluster size. We can increase the clusters. We can down the clusters. Means cluster means some group of computers or group of nodes or group of servers. Okay. We can increase, we can decrease dynamically. Okay. Everything we are going to learn. Okay. How we can copy, how we can do this scale up, scale down. Okay. Everything we are going to learn. Okay. VBA is required for on-premises. Here not required. Okay. Well, because the performance optimization, okay, everything will take care by the Snowflake. Okay. Some backup while taking in the snow any backup in on-premises, right, we need additional storage. Ideal, right, in our local system also we are copying 1 GB photos into another folder. Indirectly we need one more 1 GB, right, okay, to store that data. Simple. Here also, here not required. Cloning, what it will do, okay, wherever data available, right, okay, the same physical location it will refer. It won't copy and again. Okay. Okay. All these things as part of the Snowflake we will learn. Okay. And data recovery. Okay. We have time travel concept. With that one, easily we can recover the data whenever we mistakenly updated or deleted. Okay. We can go particular time, we can recover. Okay. We have some restrictions. We will learn everything. In on-premises, it's a very difficult. Okay. It's not like impossible. Okay. Very difficult. Okay. Data sharing also, it's not a like we cannot do it, but we can do it, but very difficult. But in Snowflake, easily we can do using the data sharing. Okay. Uh, Data change captures. Okay. For this one, we require ETL tool. Here, not required. We have object, stream object. With that one, easily we can do it. Okay. So scheduling purpose, we need dedicated tools in on-premises, like in Control M. Okay. Autosys. Okay. But in Snowflake, we have task objects. Easily we can do using this object. So whatever discussed right here, new concept. Okay, as part of this Snowflake subject. Okay, we will learn everything so that we'll come to know one by one, one by one. Okay, so all this, whatever the differences, right? If you want to understand this, you need to complete this entire this course. Then only you can understand. So high level I gave. Okay, these are the things. Okay, once you complete, you will get clarity on this whatever. Okay, uh, we discussed now. Okay, now that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, okay, please send out a mail to me. Okay, I will provide clarification for that. Okay. In the next session, we will start Snowflake. Thank you.